Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in this video I am going to be discussing part 3 of The Power of Intention by Wayne Dyer and my key takeaways that I took from the book. So keep on watching. So part 3 is all about how to connect to that intention and live on purpose and live in the direction of your desires and goals. So in the book, it talks about the power of intention is waiting for you to have the ability to make that connection to your higher power and to that intention. In order for you to make that connection, you have to live by the 7 faces of intention and be living from that intention. And just to recap, the 7 faces of intention that we talked about in the last video are: number 1, creativity; number 2, kindness; number 3, love; number 4, beauty; number 5 is expansion; number 6 is unlimited abundance; and number 7 is receptivity. Another way, and a very powerful way, to make that connection and live through intention is by meditation. Meditation is one of the most powerful forms of connection that you can make to your higher source, your higher power. And lastly, he talks about that you must learn to live in that energy, that and be like that energy that you are wanting to manifest. So by living the 7 faces of intention, meditating, and being that energy that you wish to manifest, you are practicing the power of intention in your life. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.